Welcome to Unique Dough, where innovation comes to life. Join us as we explore the world's most incredible machines and the engineering behind. Let's get started. An automatic chick vaccination machine vaccinates hundreds of chicks every hour with remarkable accuracy, helping protect entire flocks from disease while reducing handling stress. It looks like the doll is flying on its own, but there's some clever technology behind it. A controlled mechanism moves it smoothly through the air. This is quality control powered by artificial intelligence. Cameras capture each product, while software analyzes its shape, surface, and other details. This fish weight sorting machine efficiently sorts fish by weight, ensuring that each catch categorized accurately for processing and distribution. Designed for high-volume kitchens, this machine fries multiple eggs with impressive consistency. Automation makes the process faster, cleaner, and more efficient. This automatic mango peeling machine removes the skin in just seconds, preparing each fruit for faster processing with minimal waste. Watch how easily this machine breaks down tough materials. The powerful cutting system reduces them into smaller pieces, making them easier to handle and recycle. This machine is designed to clear trees and thick vegetation along roads. Its powerful cutter works continuously, helping crews maintain roads more efficiently. This machine makes rusty metal look almost new again. Thousands of eggs can be processed using this automated system. It separates the shells from the edible contents while minimizing manual handling. It looks like a giant printer, but instead of ink, it uses concrete. The machine follows a digital blueprint and builds the structure layer by layer. This machine can wash an entire train as it passes through. Rotating brushes and powerful water jets remove dirt from the exterior in a single automated process. A scrambled cube is no challenge for this smart machine. It scans the colors, calculates the solution, and then solves the puzzle automatically. This powerful laser cuts through a steel sheet with incredible precision. A focused beam melts the metal along an exact path, creating clean and accurate shapes. Watch how much soil this excavator can move with a single scoop. Its powerful hydraulic system gives the bucket enough force to handle heavy excavation work. This video is so satisfying to watch. Normal printer, but it's designed to print vertically. The machine scans across the wall while applying the design exactly where it's programmed to go. This machine can produce large quantities of egg trays with consistent shapes and sizes. The machine continuously adjusts the surface as it moves. This helps create a uniform level while reducing the amount of manual finishing required. No chains, no hooks, just magnetic force lifting tons of steel with impressive precision. One wrong move could cause a serious problem, so every movement has to be carefully controlled. The way it picks up the sand and keeps moving it along is pretty satisfying to watch. Watch how easily this machine breaks down tough materials. The powerful cutting system reduces them into smaller pieces, making them easier to handle and recycle. Several wheel bolts can be tightened in a matter of seconds. The system applies controlled torque to help ensure a secure and consistent fit. thick vegetation is no match for this excavator. One sweep clears a surprisingly large section. Watch how this machine repairs a railway track while moving along the rail. Its specialized equipment allows maintenance crews to work much faster. AI-guided spraying targets crops more precisely, helping reduce chemical waste. You don't see an excavator move like this every day. The driver has complete control of the balance. Tiny bristles, perfect placement. This machine makes toothbrush production incredibly fast. This is how large quantities of uniform ice blocks can be produced quickly instead of freezing them one by one. Every movement is programmed to happen at the right moment, keeping the production line running smoothly. The machine forms each wafer while it's still warm, making it easier to roll into the cone shape. This machine sorts eggs and places them into trays automatically. Sensors help identify each egg while the system positions them quickly and carefully. Speed isn't everything here. The machine also has to be gentle enough to keep the fruit from getting bruised. Every machine has a purpose, every movement has a reason, and behind every impressive process is engineering you probably never noticed. This is Unique Dose. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.